Hi there, my name is Shahram from Home Inspections. Today I'm gonna show you some problems comes from the structure. Let me show you. Hi there, this is Shahram again. Home Inspection. When we find out the problem here, when you look at this place, there is no connection between the top and gutter and the downspout. When you look at this one, supposed to be connected, and we highly recommend it to fix as soon as possible with the qualified person. Shahram again from Hope Inspections. At the beginning, should we say big thank you for watching our video, and I hope you can learn something from our video. We try our best to create the more video for you, and we will be happy if you follow up the YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you and see you soon.